Do you own a USB flash drive? Apart from using it to save information and important files, what else do you know? In today's video, you'll be learning 3 smart ways to use your flash drive to improve your lifestyle. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it. Let's begin. Did you know that your USB flash drive can be used to lock and unlock your personal computer? With the Predator software tool, your USB can be used as a physical key to lock and unlock your PC. Predator turns your flash drive into an access control device. Unplug your drive when you leave your PC and it locks, plug back into your PC when you're ready to use, and it'll unlock. The Predator software can be installed on a Windows PC. Run portable applications anywhere. With a USB flash drive, you can run portable apps such as games, browsers, and email tools without having to install them on your PC. This helps you keep a collection of everyday apps in your hands, which can be used on any available device close by. With Messenger apps on your flash drive, you can message anyone, anywhere. All you need is a device nearby. Another very important use of a USB flash drive is the ability to store your travel documents for safekeeping. If you've ever misplaced or forgotten your travel documents, this is a very good solution for you. Scan your passport and get a soft copy of your documents and save them on your flash drive. This will help you run background checks needed by immigration officers in case you lose your files. This will save you from being prevented from boarding a flight you've fully paid for.